Likuran. Ang hinahanap ko, di ko maipaliwanag. Di maipaliwanag ang lahat. Ay, nag-uran na. Ito ha! May barangay dito ha! Bakit to? Hi, Mike. Someday someone's gonna Thank you for the likes. Thank you po. Hi, Sir John. Hello, bye. Pop. Dancer tonight. Have your autograph po. Oh my God. Sir John. Gigi Cars. Hello. I thought you were married by now. What happened? Gigi Cars, because of very sensitive topic. Kada na? Oh, naimod ka ito dito ho. Ayada na, kadalig man. Ala, sino man na ito na naimod ka? Gigi Cars because of Kim and I will break up last year. So thank you, Sir John B. Hello, hi, Sir Pat. Hey Pat, so sorry. It's okay. It's fine. It's part of life. That's I think it's all my fault about what happened. It's a failed relationship before because it's my fault. I'm not good for him. It's good, but I think it's good for him too because what happened. Yeah. Hi John from my. Hello Jollibee. Hi Kuya Dre. You from Filipina? Yes, I'm Philippine. Nah. I'm from Philippines. Kuya Dre from my. Thank you, 6 likes by 11 people in the house. And I don't know what happened, but I doubt you should blame yourself, Sheryl. But why? Because I think I'm not good for him because of what happened. I think it's all my fault because of Yes, I blame myself. Hi, Kevin Smith. Kumusta ka? Sir Devian. So, but we talk and we agree about the breakup. We argue about that. We talk about that. It's okay to to break up, to cancel everything because the plan is he wants to marry me, uh, but he have health conditions, and maybe on and off. We always argue. We always fight, not good health. So we decided that to he decided that break up, finally break up, officially break up. Thank you, Biglan. Like, subscribe, and share. Thank you so much. Thank you, Biglan. Even if you're not best match, doesn't mean someone is to blame. Yes. How long were you together? Not too long, Sir John. We met here on wait March. May. May last year. So fast, so very fast because um, some people are not compatible with each other, and some people are in the beginning but grow apart. Yes. So yes, so maybe sir. Yes, Biglan. Biglan know him. You know it him, right? Biglan. Dan W. Yes, that's why. But I think is we have an agree with the breakup because of what happened. So I wish for her I wish for him having a peace of mind now, peace of mind and happiness. Things happen, timing has huge effects. Yeah. Thank you guys. What things happened? Yes. Babang, ala, sino na imod ko? Kay na imod ko ikaw dito bang. Butang mo tabi doon. Butang mo doon tabi. Okay, let's move on and think happy thoughts. Yes. Yes, sing. Yes, Sir John. Happy. But it's just many months. He's so good to me. He's good. He's good for me in months. Totoo po ba ang alin? Hello, Alex Carpos. Alin ang totoo? Hi, Haminyedes. Yedes. Karkaran. Ano? Sino nagtanong na ang totoo po ba? Ano ba? Ano ba itatanong mo? Kevin Smith, I'm fine po. How about you? What's up, Kuya Dre? Just seen your short Jollibee. Thank you, Kuya Dre. Thank you so much. Di ko maipaliwanag. Pabati naman po yung tatlong pauhan ko. Sina Patrick, Sunday, Plankton, at ang aking restaurant, Krusty Krab Restaurant. Wow. Oh, pabati daw from KDY 6987. Wow. KDY ah. Di ko maipaliwanag. I'm back, Fox. Hi, thank you, Sir Pat. Araw, gabi, nasa isip. Papaniki, welcome my friend. At isama nyo na po sila Kilua at Gon. Exam po nila bukas. Wow, Kilua at Gon, good luck sa exam. Ipasa nyo ang exam nyo. Anong exam yan? Oh my God. Isip ka, napapanaginip na, kahit saan magpunta, araw-gabi nalalasing sa tuwa. Hi, Rihan Ali, Hairline Dance Lang. Sana po di po sila pagalitan ng kanilang teacher, si Taguro. Ang OA mo naman. Lakas mo mang threat eh. Ang kupal. Kapal na mukha. Ano, doon pa lang sa ano mo eh, nang titrip ka na eh, pinagbibigyan ka lang, namimihasa ka eh. Pangtuwa ka, nang titrip ka. Hindi ka na, ano mo yan. Tuwa ka, nang titrip ka, di ba? Kung ikaw kaya ang pagtripan, ano sa ano mo? Hindi. Ano kaya sa ano mo? Alam mo, yung ano karma, hindi mo alam. Doble-doble, triple yan. Akala mo ganun lang ang buhay. Kapag na ginawa mo, walang balik sa'yo. Bas. Host ako dito. Nag-entertain ako. Papansin ka. Hindi ka marunong mag-appreciate. Hindi ka nga nagpasalamat eh. Ako yung host. Hindi ka nga nagpasalamat, di ba? Tapos ako pa ngayon anuhin mo na nagbabasa. Host ako eh. Alam mo pag ano, nag-entertain ako. Bastos din yung ugali mo. Pinalaki kang ganyan, walang sige na kuha na bili. Pinalaki kang ganyan. Sino ba yan si Sheryl? Kilala mo ba yan si Kiddy? Ay mga ganyan, nag-alias. Yung hindi nag-ano. Ikaw, crush ko, mahal kita, aray me. Kuya Dre. Akala mo siguro hindi ko makilala yung mga ganyan, no? Kasi at my age, at 41, akala mo hindi ko makikilala yung mga ganyan. Lakas mong yung trip, ah. KDY. My God. But I go today for my antique interview for my passport. They said I should have it in 2 weeks. Yes. Luis, good luck, Mike. Luis Vasquez. Hi, Luis Vasquez. Luis. That's good, brother Mike. Yes. Sino ba yan, Sheryl? Hindi ko siya kilala. Saka hindi yan magpapakilala eh. Mga duwag yan. Nagtatago sa ano. Kasi kung ano yan, kung may mukha yan dito, may pakikita, doon maniniwala akong ano siya, totoong tao. Peke yan mga ganyan. Nakasamang trip, mga peke naman. Hello, Mike. How you marry me? Why you so easy? Why you so fast? See that? Called Barbary. Oh my God, what happened in this world? Hello, Jandar Ferreira. Mike, look down below the screen. Look down below the screen? Why? Hi, Rob. Like, subscribe, and please. Thank you, Rob. My like number 13. Thank you so much for the like. Sir Luis Vasquez. Mike and Venus. Hi, Sir Mike and Venus. Hello, friend. Hi from Los Angeles, California, USA. Nice to meet you, Sir Luis Vasquez from LA, California, USA. Goodbye. Goodbye. Goodbye, Jander. Take care. That's the short Jollibee. I want Jollibee, Kuya Dre. Hi, May. May 17. Oh my God. I want Jollibee. Oh my God. Nalalasing sa tuwa. Can you shout out me? Can you shout out me out? Can you shout me out? Yes. Hi, May. Hi, May. Shout out to me. Why? Oh my God, why you love me, Gender? Hi, Mike. Good luck with the passport stuff. Yes. Good luck, Mike. Does Jollibee deliver to you? Yes. If the order, they can deliver to me door to door. Oh my God. Please, Sir Kuya J. I want Jollibee. Can you shout my boyfriend out, please? Who's your boyfriend? What's the name of your boyfriend? Hey, number 13, thanks. I'm planning on coming over on March. Coming over end of March. End of March? Ali! Shout out to Ali from May. Shout out to Ali, May's boyfriend. May's boyfriend Ali, shout out to you from May. Jollibee is so far, it will rain on their head. My God. If you want many ways. Philip, what is your people name? My people name is on my bio. Sir Philip. Go to my bio, my bio. And then the people is on there. Wait. Is that he got a shout out? Yes, I will tell him thank you. Thank you, Sir Pat. Don't wanna let her go. Maybe my life will Welcome, Cheryl. Thank you so much po. I know who Big Lon. Yes, Big Lon. Big Lon is everywhere. That's why. You don't have a cash up? Cash up? No cash up. Cash up. How about cash up? He is my ex-boyfriend. Huh? Big Lon? He's your ex-boyfriend? Ako ano? Hi, May. He's your, ano? Oh my God. Your ex-boyfriend, he's the, no, he's my good friend of my channel. Oh my God. Nice to meet you, May. Where are you from, May? Big Lon is a good supporter. Yeah, he's very good supporter. Oh my God. When I come, Cheryl and I going to fly down to meet up with Fred and Ian for a few days. Should be a lot of fun. Yes, a lot of fun. Hello, how are you? Sir Robert Wayne. Sir Robert, thank you for joining here again. Gcash works in US. I have Gcash. Kuya Dre. My number is my Gcash. My number. You know my number is on my I put on the bio Gcash. I have Gcash. When oh my God, when someone send on my PayPal, I will transfer on my Gcash. That's why. That's good, brother Mike. Yes, Mike, I'm sure you will all have a great time. Yeah. And my boyfriend, I told my boyfriend about him. Oh, that's great. That's great. I think your ex-boyfriend Biglon is a very supportive. Not only here, but everywhere. Very supportive. Biglon. I was telling the guy Jollibee. Huh? He was mad because he was saying, why are you talking about your ex, my boyfriend? And he got mad. Okay. I understand your boyfriend. That's why no need to mention the ex because of the respect of the boyfriend. But if why not? Maybe if asking, maybe you will need to tell. But just if just telling every time you remember him, oh, not good. No need. Uh, the most beautiful woman in the world. Oh my God. Sir Ben. I told him that I love him and not Lon. Lon is my friend. That's good. Oh my God. Why need to see that here? Oh my God. For your ex. Your ex is here. Oh my God. What happened the relationship? Maybe I think you love Big Lon, but it doesn't work because have a different like vision in life, personalities, the differences between you and Lon. But I think Lon is one of good person, friends, like speaking of ex, uh, we have nobody's perfect, but me, I accept that I have a mistake. No I have a responsible for the if you are in the relationship, you have a lot of responsible to handle that situation, but it doesn't work. Need to talk about what happened, but the problem is the differences between personalities, likes and dislikes, yes, and beliefs. Example, I that yes, the beliefs, likes and dislikes. Even you love each other, it will affect. I'm working on my vacation zone, hopefully in Philippines. Yes. Yes pa. Oh my God. Good luck, Sir Pat. Why you didn't see in the first place? Oh, why didn't see in the first place? Some guys get jealous easily. Could be a red flag. Ah, me too. I'm easy to feel jealous. I'm a jealousy one. That's my biggest problem in myself. That's why, yeah, I'm a jealousy. Mike would be call. I told him that I love him and not. Mike would be called if there is enough time for us to meet also, but we are in the south of Manila. I think it's south of Manila. We're in Manila. I think, yeah, we're in Manila, in south. South. Maybe it's possible to meet each other, Sir Mike and Venus. Maybe while we're in a couple plan. I'm there, we could plan something. I'll be there for at least a month, first time. If all goes good, then I will be moving there by end of summer. Wow. My ex is my favorite person in the world. I thank her so much for her misfortunes. That's why I meet my Jowa now, a real life partner. Ah, that's why. That, that's why this is the this is the purpose why X distribute our no in our life. Is the do you have a purpose in our life, the X? That's why I got lot things get done first before I go to the Philippines. Yes, Sir Pat. Oh my God. Welcome in the Philippines. Hello, everyone. Hi, Ma'am. GTV Vlog. Thank you so much. Can I be a mod? I'm just asking. Okay. No problem. May sa Big Lonex. I hope doesn't tapik, ano. Where's Big Lon? Almost the brothers are here. Yes, almost the brothers are here. Wow, maybe Sir Fred are so busy. Hello, City GTV. Glad to see you. Yes, home now. Hi, GTV from Mike. Hello, host. Hi, Mom GTV Vlogs. Gangster in the house. Hello, Mike from Golden. Hi, Golden. Thank you for joining here again. Yes, Kuya MG. Hello. Kuya Pat, hello from GTV. Sheryl, mahal kita. Mahal din kita. Kuya Dre, GTV Vlog, hi! My boyfriend said that he will buy me a new ring. Oh my God. No need to say that. Maybe just, they said action speaks louder than voice. May. Many said I love you, but not prove it. Many said can marry you, but what happened? This need to prove it. No need. Yes, everyone can say that. Oh my God. So maybe if you really love the person, that's why you have the happiness because you love him so much. But I think me too is jealousy, Cheryl. Yes, the jealousy we are. Me too. I'm so jealousy. Yeah. Our classic. Yeah.
Ayun ako pa si Kanton.
Kuha na. Kuha na.
Hindi ko na po.
Kuha na yun natakpan na. Yun na plastic. Hello, are you? Hi, thanks. Hello, thanks. Thank you so much. Cheryl from Pat.
Thank you, Tita Mame. Thank you.
May, huh? You will meet your present because of X. Yes. That's the reasons why X a very big part of in our life. That's why the exes have a reason to meet them. Without X, we never meet the new one. Yes, GTV from Kuya Dre. David Golden Eagle. Hi, Sir David. So what are we talking about? We're talking about the X. I'm checking that in that. Sir David, welcome pa. Bro Fred is not here. Yeah, Sir Fred not here. I think I am here. There. Thank you, Sir David. Why? I sub. Thank you for sub my channel, May. Me and him in love. Yes. Need to in love each other. Need to in love. That's the reason why in a relationship, because of love. Kuya Ian too. Yes. They both are busy. Mike and Venus. David, hello from Mike and Venus. Hi Mike from Sir David. Looking forward and meet my present yes. Stay positive po, Ma'am GTV Vlog. Oh, oh, May, oh. Yes. Looking forward to meeting my future too. Looking forward. Looking forward. GTB, who's the lucky guy? Who's the lucky guy? John B. You're single, John B? Are you single? Okay, who making me dinner? Huh? Who? Si David. Charot. Charot. My ex or your ex? I think we both because uh, yes, for example, you have an ex. If you don't break up the ex, you have your new boyfriend now, am I right? Because you're having in a relationship with your past relationship. That's why ex is having a part in our life. Are you talking about my ex-boyfriend? Also my ex too. I just for in general. In general, not only you, in general. Not only you. You're not only one here having an ex. Me. I'm talking about general. Substan Kuya Dre, thank you, GTV Vlogs. Bon dia. GTV Harry, so we can have a double reading. Oh my god. Harry. Harry. Ali said that he had been working all day. Okay. He busy man. He's so busy. Mike and Venus. Or we'll search for your channel. Yes. Sorry, David. GTV vlog. She's a single, I think. My boyfriend is a Jod. What means Jod? May, what is me? Ano, Jod? May, where are you from, May? No, Mike. You will invite me for your wedding first. Job. My boyfriend has a job. What is job? May, what your boyfriend job? My boyfriend has a job. He's a job. What job means? Job. Job is a work? Or what is a job? GTV, I would love to have you there for sure. I don't know. He never told me. Oh my god. You need to know about your boyfriend. Where your boyfriend coming? Where are you from? To I sub GTV. Thank you, Sir David Golden Eagle. Hi, Ganda. Hi, Kenji. Sir David, thank you so much, Sir David. I am from New Vegas and Texas. Ah, okay. Nice to meet you, May. Thank you, Sir David. Thank you, Sir David. Now I live in Florida. Oh, wow. How old are you, May? Welcome, young lady. Subs dancer David. Yes. Thank you, guys. Hurry up. Awesome. Awesome. 16 years. Oh my God. You're too young. Oh my gulay. Me, you're too young. Are you kidding me? Are you 16 years old? What do you mean? You are 16 years old. You're too young, me. Oh my God. You need to eat coffee now. May I advise you need to finish your study, focus for your career. Don't focus on love. Love is wait. You're too young. You're only 16 years old. Wow. You're so young for a serious relationship. Just enjoy your life. You're only 16 years old. Dinner soon here. Yeah, dinner soon. Same here. Here, dinner soon. But staying in here for a bit. You're telling me to break up with my. I'm not telling that you need to break up. I'm telling you that you can more focus on your study for your career, future career. I'm saying that for you. Yes, it's too young. Oh my God. When I'm 16 years old, I'm just playing Chinese garter. Oh my God. I don't know how. Just a crush, but never. Oh my God, I can't imagine 16 years old. You have an ex. I know you're not telling me to break up with my friend. Yes, I'm not telling you you need to break up with your friend. I'm telling you that you need to grow as yourself. Need to study. You know what? When I'm like an age, because of the poverty, I'm not finished the study. I'm not finished in college because of poverty. I need to work at earlier age because need to survive the difficult of life, because life is not so easy. But you are so lucky. Maybe you have a opportunity to finish your study. People focus me. You know, the relationship is maybe not telling you good. It breaks. It's really annoying. My God, man. Do you think I am beautiful? Yes, I think you're beautiful. Everyone have a own beauty in ano. Oh my gulay dog makay. You have a boyfriend, so you have a man, so you're beautiful. You already have an ex. You are beautiful, me. Sheryl, less than 8 weeks. Yeah, 7 weeks to go. Love shows up more when you less expected. Oh, very few relationships from 16 years old will last for many years. Live for yourself first. Yeah, I think need to enjoy your teenage life, youngest life. No need to rush. Just enjoy me. You need to enjoy yourself. Ano ba yan? Ano ba yan, Kuya Dre? My wife popped in my life for a time. I never expected it. Um, please don't talk about my ex-boyfriend again, please. Okay, we need to talk about your ex. I'm saying that in general because me too, I have an ex, and maybe some see my people here on the live, they are having an ex. So don't worry me. I'm not saying your ex. I'm not saying that on your ex. I'm saying in general, okay? No need to mention who's ex, okay? No worries, me. No worries. Where is that bully man, Sir Fred? I guarantee he's lurking. He's lurking. I know that. On me. Oh me. Oh my. Oh me. Oh my. Don't wanna let her go. Maybe my love will come back someday. Where is Sir Fred? Oh my gulang. Oh my gulay. Sir Jaw, Sir Jaw, Sir Jaw. I am so happy. That's good. The important is happiness, but when you be careful, please be careful of your heart, me, because happiness, it's because you feel the happiness, maybe you will be ready to feel the pain. Okay, calling Sir Fred, where are you, bully man? Guess why? I'm happy? Why you happy, me? Maybe you get now me is so happy I can't keep up. Kuya John, Sir John. Sir John, you need to find someone na. You need to find someone, Sir John. Very funny. Why very funny? Because you're happy because you are very funny. Not all funny people are really happy. Pa-shoutout kina Connie John Mark. Shoutout from Connie John Mark from Reinhardt Oil. So, how old Big Lon? Yes, I confused of Big Lon. How old Big Lon? Oh my God, me is 16 years old. Big Lon, how old Big Lon? I thought Big Lon is like 40, 50 years old. So I'm curious who's Big Lon? Oh my God, Big Lon, how old Big Lon? Big Lon is everywhere. That's why. No, my boyfriend is the reason why I'm happy. Okay. The reason why you're happy is you have your boyfriend. That's great. Me, Big Lon, how old Big Lon? Me. We are confused about Big Lon age. Po idol po, shoutout po. Shoutout Reinhardt Puyu. Shoutout to you, GB. I'm glad you're amused me. From Sir John. I don't want to talk about it. Oh my God. Just age. Okay. Oh my God. We're confused about his age. Thanks. Cause the great guapa. Lagi kate. Guapa. Because the great this is Sayote. No. A long time ago, he was 17 years old and I was 15 years old. Now I'm 16 years old, so so now 16 years old. Oh my God, Bilon is too young. A long time, not long time ago. Oh my God. Just last year. Or just maybe 2024. My gulay. Just only last year, May. Not a long time ago, oh my God. You're 16 now, and long time ago you said this you're 15. Just last year, 15, oh my God. Chicken joy, burger, mango pie. Spaghetti, please. Big Lon, how old are you? Big Lon. Oh my God. You know what, Tim? My ex, he fell, he fell, for Big Lon. Now I realize, no need to, for Big Lon because he's young. Oh my God. God. But I think Big Lon, he handled the situation before. They agree here. My God. Yeah. Naka-live ako. Kaya naka-live ako. Niya na? Big Lon. Well, you've said a lot about it. Talk about it or don't pick one. Yes. Sir John, a year is a forever when you're 16 years old. Here's an Ellen live stream na right now. Oh my God, are you stalking Big Lon? Open League. Ah! Oh my God, May. Stressful. Who's Ellen? Because you know what, May? Big Lon, he's everywhere. Big Lon is everywhere. He supports a lot. Yes, live streaming. I see him everywhere live, not only here, Big Lon. Oh my God, how? Just give the likes. I like this. He dropped the comments and we pin her comments like super chats. It helps it's help our channel. Can I do that? Yes, you can do that. Maybe you need to maybe you need to live stream to make up uh, you need to be busy. Is me 16 or 10? She's 16 years old now, Sir John. 16 years old. Like and subscribe, please. Yes. Oh, yes. Oh my God. Big Lon is 18 years old already. 17 or maybe it's all 17. 17. Still, Big Lon is, oh my God. Guys, next Monday is Cheryl's birthday. Make special bargain. Have a shopper chan or people, please. Thank you, man. Thank you, man. Ayo! Thank you, pa. Thank you, man. Oh my God. Yes, my birthday is February 2nd. Are you sure? Cheryl doing real like drama and live stream now, yeah. Oh my God. When I'm 16 years old, I'm playing Chinese garter. I don't know how to you're 16, Cheryl. No, I'm 41 years old. 41, not only 16. 41. I'm old. Sir John, I'm old. Charlie. Hi, Thomas from Denmark. Thank you, Sir Thomas. Yeah, while trying to see that I am lying about my age. We're not saying you're lying. We are confusing. We're just confused about the age. We're not saying lying. About confused. We're confused. Thank you so much. Thank you, John B. Thank you, Golden. Golden, thank you so much. Oh, sabay-sabay. John B. Golden and me. We put him time out at the same time. Thank you, Golden. Oh my God. Thank you, John B. No, we are saying you're not acting your age. Nah, May, we're not saying about that. I know that you, sir. His name is John. May. How is your dad doing? Our dad is resting now. Hope he will feel better, Sir Thomas. Thank you, Sir Thomas. Sure, you could be at 27 for another year or two. Oh, I'm hoping I'm still young. Sir John B. Oh my God. You know what, me, when I'm 16 years old, I don't even know how to dress. I dress big shorts. Just I'm a boyish, like I do not know. I'm always putting the Chinese garter, the like the plastico. Oh my God. That's why I wonder, my God. First boyfriend, I have a first boyfriend. I am a 24 years old and is my son's father. So that's why 24 years old. Then we together and almost 10 years together. Then break up and then having a online relationship and it doesn't work. So that's why. But in real life, touching my face, holding hands, only my son's father. It's only one. That's why I wonder. Oh my God. That's why I wonder what happened. Hello, Teacher Cheryl. Hi, Sir Ben. GTB is maganda. She's from Bisaya. Yeah, GTB is just so magayon. Maganyon. Magayan. Maganda. Oh my God. I am about to put my headphone on charge. I think not good using your headphone while charging. Not good, Ame. Don't do that. Please. So tell me where to what start, cause it's breaking my heart. Don't wanna let her go. Sure, I'm big says Mod Lul. Yeah, that's not good. Even using phone while charging is not good while I know using phone while charging. I will be back. I am going to put my headphone on charge. Okay, that's good, man. Never taught me so. Doctoral lauto. Doctoral lauto. Doctoral lauto. It will all be done this. What? Don't let her go, my God. Kuya, oo, ate mod. I am back. Oh, you're back again. You're back. Not yet shower because shower is a big it's struggle for me. My goodness, because you are funny. I am funny. Funny one. What does it hurt me so? Alright, ko. What did I do? There, I'm getting ready to go to work now. Bye. Thank you, Sir Ben, for dropping by here. Thank you so much. What does it hurt me so? Maybe my life can die someday. You have a job? Yes, I have a job here. Oh my god. Idival, what do you do? I'm if you will see the video of my short video, you will understand what my job is because I don't know how to explain here. Oh my god. Spaghetti burger, mango pie. Then mango pie, then what you call this? Coke flute. Coke flute, Kuya Dre. She's a singer dancer. Sir John. Robert Winkes, so what are your plans for Gabi? I'm going plans, need to shower. I'm preparing for shower. Preparing for shower. Then, I need to, for dinner. Can you do sleep live, please? I already did. I already did. When I do live, I sleep. She's a Philippine idol. John B. Sir John B. Oh my god. They are like an apple pie. Yes, I like apple pie. Need to shower because no shower all day. Oh my god. Because of malamig. Ano, coke float? Yes. Coke float, Kuya Dre. Yes, I do. From me. My god. What does it hurt me so? She does a good running live. Oh my god, yes. Oh my god. Do you want me to get my boyfriend in the live stream? It's your choice. It's up to you, May. You are a true beauty, Cheryl. Peter Vincent. Peter, where are you from? Thank you, Sir Peter. Where does it hurt? Yes. Yes or no? It's up to you, not me. She's your boyfriend. What if you say if the decision is from your boyfriend, not me. For me is it's okay for me. For me, it's okay. The problem is your boyfriend. If it's okay for him. Okay, I will go get him. Hmm? Oh my god. What if he's so busy? What if he busy? He said he have a job. Apple pie and mango pie look the same, just the ingredients are different. Ah, yeah.
Alam mo yung masakit, yung ikaw yung kabit?
I will be back. Oh my god. Me. Wow. New generation for having a boyfriend or jowa. What if your boyfriend is busy? Is his day off tomorrow? Okay. Or maybe if, even if not yours, having need to to rest, do something like
May 5 ka.
wara. Ouch.
Nilibre pa ng regalo.
Ano kuwan? Ano kuwan? Ang ano, kinuwan. Kina-wash back mo? Kina-wash? Kuya Dre, what have you created po? Wara na. Ready ah? I asked him. I asked him. Dakuan is the important. Dakuan is everything fine.
Uy, bobo naman!
My God. Dakuan. The ano. Dakuan in the ano is kuan. My God. Dakuan in the ano.
Daw, tagapag-kiyis lang baga.
I texted him. Oh my God. No, not. Oh, my YouTube channel. On my YouTube channel. Ah, okay. So, ano versus kuan? John B. Yes. The ano versus kuan. My God. My God. Hello, good luck. Thank you, Ram. The kuwan in the ano. Now we got to wait. Oh yes, no need to wait. Yes, need to wait. I need to shower. That's why I need to end the live. I will do live after. Thank you guys for joining. Thank you so much. Hope to see you next live. I need to shower and I need to I might be asleep. Yeah.
Putik talaga na.
Thank you so much, guys. See you next live. Love you all. I don't know. Okay. Thank you so much.
Tapos room.
Love you all. I need to shower
Talaga palo.
because I smell myself. Goodbye po. Yes. Thank you so much po. Love you all po.